Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install Scrnli Screen Recorder on a Windows computer. It's a free and powerful screen recorder, and one of the best features of this screen recorder is the ability to draw arrows and shapes while recording, making it much easier to highlight important areas. To begin, open your preferred browser. In search bar, type Scrnli Screen Recorder, then press enter. From results, click on the first link from scrnli.com. This will take you to the official website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a Windows app button. Click on it. From here, you'll find a download button for Windows. Go ahead and click on it. Download will begin. Just wait for it to complete. After download is finished, open your Downloads folder and locate the installer. Then, double-click on it to launch the installation wizard. Read the license agreement, check the box if you agree, then click Install. The installation will begin, just give it a moment to finish. When installation complete, click Close button. You can open Scrnli by right-clicking its desktop icon, then clicking Open. When application launches, you won't see a full interface like other tools, just a small floating icon. Click on that icon and you will see more options, including settings. From here, you can adjust everything based on your preferences. To capture the full screen, click this option or use Ctrl+Shift+F. This gives you a more polished screenshot and you can refine it using the tools provided. To start recording, click on the Record option. If you want to record entire screen, select this icon, then click Record. In this case, everything happening on your screen will be captured. To control the recording, look on the right side. You will see a small blue line. Hover over it and you'll see controls including pause and stop. As I mentioned earlier, you can also use arrows and shapes while recording. This is very helpful for highlighting areas and saves time during editing. Once you're done recording, click on Stop button. Your recorded video will open in a preview player so you can review it. To save it, click Save. Choose your location, rename it if needed, then click Save again. Your video is now ready to be used. So, that's how you can download and install Scrnli Screen Recorder on a Windows PC.